And, oh wait, now it's fucking recording. I told you not to let me touch the camera.
What do you think?
Say dumb. Brittany, say dumb. Brittany, say dumb. And Tammy, say dumber.
No, fun.
Look, Brittany can't even get it off now. You're gonna rip it. Oh my gosh. Tammy's getting naked. That's a new trend, wearing our underwear over our pants. Look, you put on someone's underwear and you don't even have the decency to stick it back on the hanger.
No, it's Walmart. Get the one that snaps in the crotch.
Brittany, you need that to hold it up. Ow!
There you go.
Wow.
Is that me?
All but the top half.
Hey, you need some,